3. Listening. It is a must, something you must do, that you watch the previous video, 2e1 vocabulary, before you continue this video. A. Discuss. Who is your favorite author? Mine is Agatha Christie, who is an English writer, and she was known for writing detective novels and mysterious novels. Can you name 3 of his or her best books? 1. The Murder of Roger Ackroyd, Peril at End House, and Murder on the Orient Express. B. Look at the books below and guess. When you guess, you give an answer without knowing if it's correct or incorrect. Guess the answer to the questions, then listen to a book critic talking and check your answers. 1. Who is the author of the books? Who wrote these books? Well, I don't see the name of the writer here, but I can read Jules Verne written here. So this one was written by Jules Verne. What do you think they are about? I don't know. Just by looking at the title and the picture, I think that this one is about an island that is strange, mysterious. This one may be about a journey to the center of the earth. And what genre, what category do the books belong to? They are part of what genre? Adventure, science fiction, poetry. I think adventure maybe, just by looking at the picture. And then you will have to choose A or B. Niles thinks a journey to the center of the earth. Journey is a trip. Earth is the name of our planet, which is this book, A Journey to the Center of the Earth. Niles is a man's name. Niles thinks that this book is disappointing, not good, or is an exciting adventure, thrilling adventure. 2. The members, the people who went on the expedition when a group of people go on a journey with a purpose. In A Journey to the Center of the Earth were 3 men and the professor. That means 4 people. 3 men and the professor. Or 3 men including the professor. Part of the 3 men is the professor. So the total of 3 or the total of 4. 4 people or 3. Captain Nemo appears. He shows up in more than one book by Jules Verne, or in A Journey to the Center of the Earth, only in one book. 4. The men in the mysterious island. Island is a piece of land, just like the one you see in the picture, surrounded by water. Mysterious means it is very difficult to understand or explain. These men are helped by a stranger. Stranger is a person that nobody knows. They are in danger, not safe, because of a stranger, because of this unknown person. Here is a tip. When listening, don't assume. When you assume, you think that something is true, that an answer is correct just because, only because the speakers mention a word that is in the activity. The speakers say a word that is here. Listen carefully before you answer. Just because you heard the speaker saying it is disappointing, that doesn't mean that disappointing is the answer. Listen carefully, okay? Now I will play the recording.
Hello and welcome back. Now on Book Review, it's time for that part of our programme called Top Authors. Today, book critic Niles Bain is here to tell us what he thinks Jules Verne's top 2 books are. So tell us, Niles, which Jules Verne book is top on your list?
Hi, Jim. I'm a huge fan of Jules Verne. I took an avid interest in his books from a very early age, and I have to say, until today, my absolute favourite is A Journey to the Centre of the Earth. I am disappointed when I hear some people haven't read this exciting novel.
It's a great book. Can you tell our listeners a few things about the plot?
Of course. A group of 3 men set off to find the centre of the Earth. The hero, Professor von Hardwigg, who leads the expedition, had found information about a man who claimed to have visited the centre of the Earth. He decides to prove whether the information is true by repeating the trip himself. Exciting adventures await the readers as the 3 men go deeper and deeper into the Earth. Soon they meet dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals and face dangerous situations in an exciting tale only Verne could have written.
So would you say it's a book for adults or children?
I think what happens with most books by Verne is that they are so entertaining that they appeal to people of all ages. I mean, I read this book when I was 10, and I would read it again today with the same pleasure.
So, what's another favourite?
If I had to choose, I would say The Mysterious Island.
Oh, I thought you were going to say 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Of course, that's an all-time classic. Actually, the 2 books, The Mysterious Island and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, have a common hero.
Captain Nemo, of course. But let's talk about The Mysterious Island.
Well, the story is about 5 men who try to survive on a mysterious island. But as time goes by, strange things start happening. It seems like every time they are in danger, someone mysteriously saves them. For example, when they are sick, medicine appears in bottles, or when pirates attack them, they are mysteriously killed.
Captain Nemo is behind it all.
Who, after all those adventures, is now an old man and wants to help the men escape. Anyway, there is a lot of excitement in this classic novel, and readers won't be disappointed.
Now, please go ahead and answer the questions. Continue this video only to check if your answers are correct or incorrect. Read with me. Hello and welcome back. Now, on book review, it's time for the division of our program. Program is a presentation on a radio or TV called Top Authors. Today, book critic Niles Bain is a man's name, and this man is a critic. He is a book critic. He reviews books. Is here to tell us what he thinks Jules Verne's top 2 books are. So tell us, Niles, which Jules Verne book is top on your list? When you have a list, you have a set of names that are usually one below the other. Hi, Jim. I am a huge fan of Jules Verne. I love Jules Verne a lot. I took an avid interest in his books. I started liking his books, loving his books from a very early age, since I was young. And I have to say, until today, my absolute favorite, the one I like the most, surely the best book is A Journey to the Center of the Earth. I am disappointed when I hear that some people haven't read this exciting novel. I don't know why some people didn't read it. You must read it. It's amazing. It's a great book. Can you tell our listeners a few things about the plot, about the story of the book? Of course, a group of 3 men went to find the center of the earth. The hero, Professor von Hardwigg, who leads the expedition, who is responsible, in charge of, he is the leader, had found information about a man who claimed, this man, he said that he has visited the center of the earth, but he doesn't have a proof. We don't know if it's true or not. So this professor decides, he chose to prove, to bring the evidence, to see for himself if this is true, Whether means if the information is true by repeating, by doing again the trip himself, the journey. He would go on this trip himself. Exciting adventures await the readers, is waiting for the readers as the three men go deeper and deeper. When you go deeper, you go further down into the earth. So the total is 3 men, huh? This is the total. 3 men including the professor. Soon they meet dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals, prehistoric before humanity, and face encounters. This is a verb, not a noun. It's not like your face. No, you face dangerous situations. That means you encounter, go head to head with dangerous situations, conditions, in an exciting tale. A tale is an imaginary story, fictitious. Only Verne could have written. Only Verne can write this. No one else can. So, would you say it's a book for adults or children? For grown-ups, older people, or for younger people? I think what happens with most books by Verne is that they are so entertaining, they are so much fun to read, that they appeal, they attract people of all ages, young and adults. I mean, I read this book when I was 10, I was young, and I would read it again today with the same pleasure. I would enjoy it if I read it again today. So, what's another favorite? That's your absolute best. What is number 2? If I had to choose, I would say The Mysterious Island. Oh, I thought you were gonna say thought is the past of think. You were gonna say 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. This is a title of another book. Of course, that's an all-time classic. Actually, the truth is, the 2 books, The Mysterious Island and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, have a common hero. They have the same hero. This hero is Captain Nemo, of course. But let's talk about The Mysterious Island. Well, the story is about 5 men who try to survive, to stay alive, on a mysterious island. But as time goes by, as time passes, continues, strange things start happening, unusual, weird things start happening. It seems, it looks like every time they are in danger, the 5 men, someone mysteriously, nobody knows how, he saves them, he protects them, help them survive. For example, when they are sick, ill, medicine appears. Medicine is what you take when you are sick. Appears, shows up, in bottles, in containers. Or when pirates attack them, pirates are people, sailors who sail the seas, and they rob and attack other ships. Attack them. When you attack, you try to kill or hurt someone. They are mysteriously killed. The pirates are killed somehow. Nobody knows how. Mysteriously. Captain Nemo is behind it all. Is the reason. Is the one who helped the 5 men. Who after all those adventures is now an old man and wants to help the men escape. Run away. Anyway, there's a lot of excitement in this classic novel, and readers won't be disappointed. So, who is the author? Jules Verne. What are the books about? This one is about 5 men on an island, and A Journey to the Center of the Earth is about 3 men who decide to travel to see the center of the Earth. What genre? You could say science fiction or adventure is also correct. Adventure. Now choose A or B. Niles thinks a journey to the center of the earth is disappointing. No. Well, he feels disappointed that not everybody read these books. He thinks that it's an exciting adventure. This novel is his absolute favorite. The members of the expedition in a journey to the center of the earth were 3. Only 3, including the professor. 3. Captain Nemo appears in more than one book by Jules Verne. That is correct. He doesn't appear in A Journey to the Center of the Earth. He appears in The Mysterious Island and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. In these 2 books, the men in The Mysterious Island are helped by a stranger. That is correct. They are not in danger because of a stranger. They are in danger because they get sick or they are attacked by pirates. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with friends. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. Goodbye.